Alright, question number 7. Although all the numerators are already factored, Angel H, what are the factors of 10?
92.
And the factors of 6?
32.
Yep. Angel, what do 2 of those have that the others don't?
5.
Yep. So Angel, on this side, I'm going to write what?
5. 5 over 5.
Now, if it's missing 1, you have to multiply by 1. You cannot just multiply by 5 in the denominator. Essentially, that would be a fraction of 1/5, and that would not be equivalent. Thank you, Angel. Vanessa, what else does the others have that the others don't? 3. So this one's missing a 3. It didn't give you a lot of space, so like one student requested, can you write this on a separate piece of paper? You can. And Eric, what's the last one? Okay. Essentially what we're doing here is this. Class, what's 2 times 3? 6. So the lowest common denominator is what number, class? If you multiply all those, you get what? 30. In order to get this 5 to become a 30, I would have to basically multiply by 6 over 6. And I just have the prime factors on the side here. Class, what's 2 times 3? And 6 times 2x? 12x. We're okay? I just multiply it across. This is 30. I'm going to put a parentheses around this one. And I'm going to distribute the 3. Class, 3 times 2x. 2x squared. 6x squared. And 3 times negative 1. Negative 1. Negative 3. Oh, thank you. And my denominator over here?
30.
30. Okay, this one's going to look a little bit different. I'm going to keep the subtraction sign, and you can deal with that now or later, so I'm going to deal with mine later. But what looks weird is you're going to distribute from the back here. Class, what's 5 times 4x? 20x. And 5 times 1? 5.
Isn't that negative 5?
Yeah, I'm going to keep the negative first, and I can distribute it later. But when I do the next step, you'll see that we have the same answer. So my denominator is all 30, and now I have 12x, 6x squared minus 3. And I chose to wait to distribute. So some of you already did a negative 5. That's fine. I'm going to do mine now. And essentially, class, what number is right there that's invisible? That's a negative 1. And I'm going to distribute that now. So class, that becomes negative 1 times 20x. And negative 1 times 5. Negative 5. Now I just need to combine like terms. Which one of these are like terms, Marisol? Yeah. Can I combine this with anything? Good. How about the 12x? Negative 20x. So 12 minus 20, Marisol? Negative 8x. So you can use different shapes if you want. And Marisol, negative 3 minus 5. Negative 8. Class, tell me, even or odd? So they're all evens. So let's see if we can pull out a greatest common factor. Partner A, tell partner B what you think it is. Jesus, what do you think the GCF is going to be? Yeah. If I pull out a 2, 2 times something equals 6x squared. What is that something, class? 2 times something equals negative 8x. Positive or negative? So negative 4x. 2 times something equals negative 8. Negative 4. And then 30, here's your hint. The factors of 30 are what? 2 and 15, right? My 2's will cancel here, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then this is our answer. 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 all over 15. Summarize what we did in the problem. I had to make sure all of them have a common denominator. I've been showing you that by colors. My common denominator is 30, so they all have a yellow, purple, and pink. Don't forget to distribute. And when you have a subtraction sign, it's really distributing a negative 1, combine like terms, and at the very end, I took out a GCF from both top and the bottom to get the answer in green.